Traders, Anthony here. I want to show you how to use our indicators to give you an edge in the markets. Let's just go back in time. What do we got? Go back to the 7th. Somewhere to start. This looks good. Okay, we'll hit replay. That'll do. Now, what we're looking for is a green signal to fire. Given that we've got a green bar under here and these higher time frame, multi-time frame bars are predominantly green. So we'll just play this. And we stay out of the market. We're not taking any red signals. Okay, we've lost our green bar back in here, but we can see that the majority of the bars are green, so we're still in a strong trend. Now, we have this breakout. This is a break of market character, trend. This is a break into the cloud. I generally prefer a break out of the cloud, but let's just see how we go with this. Notice we're trading into resistance. Yellow line is a daily, previous daily high or low. See how it respected it. And we're running into these red levels up here. Okay, so we want to be a little bit careful. I'm inclined to avoid this signal and wait for a green break out of the cloud. So we're only breaking into the cloud at the moment. Okay, see how it's rejected off these levels here. We've got resistance above. And now we're trading down through a previous daily low. Okay, so we don't do anything until we see a clear signal. 15-minute time frame, there's no technical analysis. So now we have a green bar under. This is telling us that the 4-hour and the daily have a strong bullish momentum. So we'll just keep playing this. We're trading under the cloud. See the cloud above here? So we don't do anything yet. We're looking for the green signals. Okay, we've got another green bar and a green dot. Now this is a really good signal. If you catch this quickly, you can jump in on the lower time frame and actually buy at this level here. However, let's just wait and see what we get. I really want to see the breakout of the cloud. This is a bit aggressive. Let's just wait for it, see what happens. Okay, now we're trading up. Here's the breakout of the cloud right here. This is an optimal entry. You got weekly, daily, I should say daily high or low. We've got the breakout of the cloud, and this pullback here is an ideal entry. The replay was a bit fast and I missed it. But we're going to go with this breakout, given that we have this green bar and the bars below are green, so we'll buy. Now I'm going to set up a stop loss. It's going to go in the cloud. See how we've got this green here? Green dots. There's an upper and lower. So this is the cloud. We're trading out of the cloud. This is a really good setup. So I'm going to place my stop loss just in under these dots. I'm going to go for a minimum of 1 to 1.5 long position. Just measure our TP. 1.5 is here, and that's okay. That's under this red shaded zone up here. So we'll play that. See how we go with this. All right, nice. Now we've got this pullback. We can take this trade as well. And what we're looking for here is, see this thin candle. See how this pushed off with a vengeance. We have this imbalance here, and it's trading back down through rebalancing, right? So we can enter this rebalance candle at this point. It's coming down into these highs. That's fine. I'm good with that. If you like using a Fibonacci, there's your low to high, and it's coming into the 61.8 fib zone. So we'll buy at this level. And the other thing that you can see with this is the strength in the trend. Look at the angle of these trend lines. So we're going to go stop loss under the previous high, but we want to go down into the cloud. See the 3 dot, 4, oh, it's 5 dots. These dots here, I'm going to go down in the cloud with my stop loss below this previous low. And if you want to, you could pull it down under this yellow line, which is a daily level. So we're going to go our 1 to 1.5. Takes us to right where I had it. So we'll just run that. Nice trend. Okay, see how this is playing out now. We're trading up into some resistance. We'll just see how we go. We've broken through the previous daily high. We'll run it. Oh, okay. $1,000 win rate, 100%. Okay, well that's nice. Thank you. Oh, I think we're at the end of the road. Okay, this is today. But that's a quick tutorial on using our indicators trading Bitcoin. Here's an invite to jump on board. The first thing I want to show you is our preferred prop firm. These are the reasons why Mega Funded is my preferred prop firm. I'm trading a challenge at the moment through these guys. Use my link below in the description below the video and secure a further 5% on their pricing with my promo code down here. And jump on board, guys. At the moment, as I mentioned in previous videos, Shout Me Lunch once a month. You have full access to our entire system, daily trade signals, Telegram group, etc. This will be going up after this weekend. It's now the 9th of December 2023. Lock in this discount now and join us on this journey. With that, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.